Hello, Jake. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start with part 1. Okay, the part 1 is about the use of present continuous. So look at number 6. Number 6, what's he doing? He's playing with a sheep. Okay, very good. Now I'm going to ask you from 7 to 10. Oh, look at number 7. Look at this. What's he doing? He's How about the number 8? Playing. And number 9? And number 10? Very good. Okay, this time I'm going to ask you, okay? You're going to answer yes or no. Look at number 1. Is she reading a book? Yes, she is. How about number 2? Are they skateboarding? Yes, they are. How about number 3? Is she eating an apple? Number 4. Is she watching a movie? Is she watching a movie? And number 5. Are they playing soccer? Okay. Next. Part 2. So these are the abilities of these characters. Like Hugo. Hugo can ride a horse, can swim, and can play the piano, but can't swim and can't ride a bike. How about Pat? Tennis. But can't and very good. How about Alex? Alex can can and can but can't. Very good. Okay, now how about you? What are the abilities that you can do? I can. You. Badminton. This is tennis. What else? And? Okay, very good. Okay, now let's move with the part 3. Okay, look at the part 3. Okay, so first let's talk about the clothes. Look at the teacher. What she's wearing? What color? And? Wearing what? Very good. How about the man? Man. Wearing
shirt and jeans. They're white and white and gray.
How about you? What are you wearing?
I want to short.
What color the t-shirt?
It's yellow.
And how about the short?
It's black.
Okay, now let's use the preposition. It's already time. Okay, where is the clock? The
The
clock.
clock is on the wall.
Mhm. Where is the computers? Where are the computers?
They are on the
They are on the where?
desk.
Okay. This is the map. Where are the books?
The books
Are
in the
map.
books
Are
in under the
map.
mat.
Okay. Next, this is the bookshelves. Bookcase. Bookcase. Where are the books?
The books is in
Are.
in the bookcase.
Okay. Last, where is the teacher?
The teacher
Is
is
in